Welcome back to English Grammar Part 18. Here in this part we are going to learn countable nouns, uncountable nouns as well as noun gender. Okay, that is feminine noun as well as masculine noun. Let us know the meaning of countable and uncountable noun first. Countable noun, uncountable noun. Let us know the meaning first. The name of a thing that we can count. Okay, that is called as countable noun. The name of a thing that we can count is called as countable, whereas what is uncountable? Can you guess? Yes, dead opposite to this one. That is the name of a thing that cannot be counted. That is called as uncountable noun. Let us have some examples for more clarification. Pen. Okay. Can I count the number of pens? Can I write now 4 pens? There are 4 pens. I have 4 pens, right? So, if the thing can be counted, then it is called as countable noun. So, this is what the example for countable noun. Okay. Pen. Next, let me just give another example. Laptop. Can number of laptops be counted? If yes, then it is countable. Mobile. Can it be counted? Yes. Then obviously it is also example for countable noun. The next another example, let us take duster. Then board. So these all can be counted, means these are example for countable nouns. We can write numbers before these words. Whereas what is uncountable noun, already we have gone through, that is name of the thing which cannot be counted. Let us see the example. What it is? Water. Can you count water? Can you say 4 water? I have 5 water, 3 water? No. So water is an example for uncountable noun. The thing which cannot be counted is called as uncountable noun. Next one, oil. No, cannot be counted. Then milk, cannot be counted. Tea, no, can't count. Coffee, so we cannot count. The name of a thing that cannot be counted is called as uncountable noun. So this is what the difference between countable and uncountable. And article a and an can be used for the countable singular nouns, as well as the can be used for the both countable as well as the uncountable nouns. So this is what the difference between countable as well as uncountable. One more point is, we will get singular and plural countable nouns, but there is no plural form of uncountable nouns. See here example: pen, pens; laptop, laptops; so mobile, mobiles; duster, dusters; board, boards. But we cannot say water, waters. We have to say get some water. Okay, get some oil, get some milk. So we cannot say number before these words. Let us have the look over now. Gender. Okay, feminine gender as well as the masculine gender. So noun, gender. Here further we will move now. Masculine gender, feminine gender. Let me write this. Yeah, fine. Let us know the meaning of this masculine gender and feminine gender. So there are some nouns which specifically refer to male gender, they are called as masculine gender. So the noun refer to male gender. The noun specifically refer to female gender. That is called as feminine and this is called as masculine. Let us have some example for more clarification. Okay. Man, boy, son, bridegroom, king, peacock, cock. Okay. Let's see now the feminine gender of these one. See, male, man, boy, son, bridegroom, king, peacock, as well as the cock, lion. Let us see now feminine gender. The word or a noun specifically refer to the female gender. Man, woman, boy, girl, son, daughter, bridegroom, bride, then king, queen, peacock, peahen, cock, hen, lion, lioness. So this is what the difference between masculine gender as well as the feminine gender. Hope this video is going to be helpful to know and understand countable as well as uncountable and the gender, that is feminine gender as well as the masculine gender.